Alright y'all, so today we do something that I usually don't do, and that's eat McDonald's. But today is not just a day of McDonald's, today is a special day. Today, for a limited time only, you're going to be able to try the McDonald's Adult Happy Meal. And I am excited. Here we go. I've already placed my order online. I just gotta sit and wait, and I can't wait. Appreciate it.
I know, but I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I just don't feel like all that. You know what I mean? Hey, all in the way.
Right. You ready? You ready? You ready? You excited? McDonald's got you hype? What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back again with another pickup. And today is a special unboxing. And for this particular unboxing, thought why not bring my little one in? Hey, McDonald's get them happy. So today's unboxing we got, of course, is the kids meal. Because I thought, you know what? We did the adult kids meal. Why not show the kids some love? So starting off, first thing you get out of this unboxing is the cutesy wootsy little bitty fries, and then the toy. I'm gonna let her hold it. And then, which I know she'll like also, is the apples and bananas. She loves that song. And then, of course, got chicken nuggets. Now, let's open this bad boy up, see what else we got. You want to open it? You got it? Go ahead, open it. You need some help? I'll help you out. Come on. I feel like the kid side of me would like this box better. And they probably would like this toy a little bit better than this toy that was in here. Which, it's not bad. You know, it's not a bad toy. But at the same time, if I compare the two, I'll probably go with this one because it's able to do things that this toy can't do. That one's stationary. And then this one also comes with cool little stickers that you can put on the car, which is super cool. And you got a cool little app that you can download and play the games. So that's all. Just wanted to give you guys a little perspective on things and see what it's like to be a kid again. All right. Pick one. Oh, with the upset. With the upset. Well, I guess I got my toy. She got her toy. To the next video. Where you wanna go? Uh-oh. You dropped the cactus. You gonna put yourself on punishment? You going upstairs?